Ultra Coatings Incorporated introduces Ultra Bore Coat. Finally, a weather-resistant bore treatment that reduces fouling and makes barrels easier to clean. Ultra Bore Coat should reduce copper jacket fouling by at least 80%. Ultra Bore Coat makes the lead left in handgun and rifle bores easier to remove. It will completely eliminate the crud ring created when using synthetic propellants and 209 primers in inline muzzle loaders. Ultra Bore Coat also drastically reduces the plastic wad fouling in shotguns and makes them easier to clean. One application will last the lifetime of your firearm.
If you're tired of having accuracy problems due to excessive copper fouling or powder residue, or you're just looking for an easier way to clean the bore, Ultra Bore Coat can help. It's very easy to apply, works on rifles, shotguns, pistols, and muzzle loaders. The following few minutes of video will show you how to properly apply Ultra Bore Coat. I've trusted it in several of my firearms and had very good results.
Remove loose powder fouling with Hoppy's No. 9 on cotton patches. Wrap a properly sized brass brush with a cotton patch and liberally coat with JB Bore Cleaner or a similar abrasive bore cleaner. Run this patch back and forth in the bore 30 times. Patch must fit the bore tightly. If it becomes easy to push through the bore during the process, remove and add another patch to the brush, also coated with the abrasive bore cleaner. Clean the bore a second time with Hoppy's No. 9 and cotton patches. Following the solvent manufacturer's instructions, clean the bore with a good copper solvent and cotton patches. Do this until you cannot see any blue traces of dissolved copper in the bore. You may have to repeat this process as many as 3 times. Soak a loose-fitting patch with Ultra Bore Degreaser and run it through the bore 3 times. Run one dry patch through the bore. Now shake the Ultra Bore Coat bottle for 2 minutes. Use a bore mop 1 caliber smaller than the bore or a loose-fitting patch placed in a slotted patch jag. Dunk the bore mop or patch in the Ultra Bore Coat bottle and completely soak. Warning: make sure to catch any spills or drips. Ultra Bore Coat will stain anything it comes in contact with. It also is a good idea to remove the action from the stock before applying Ultra Bore Coat. Secure the barrel or barreled action and run the soaked mop or loose-fitting patch down the barrel 3 times. Dunk the bore mop or loose-fitting patch a second time and run it down the barrel 3 more times. Lay the rod down and wipe up any excess Ultra Bore Coat from the work area or the outside of the firearm. Lay the firearm aside and let the coating set and dry for at least 6 hours. Overnight is recommended. After the coating is cured, do not run anything down the barrel but bullets. The heat and pressure from shooting cures the coating. This should take between 10 and 20 rounds. Ultra Bore Coat is easy to apply. Remember, make sure the firearm is unloaded. Clean the bore and apply Ultra Bore Coat per directions in each kit. Allow to cure overnight. Shoot between 10 and 20 shots through the treated bore. Clean the bore using only patches and solvent.
As you can see, Ultra Bore Coat is very easy to apply, and there's enough in one kit to do several firearms.